Every pharmaceutical capsule begins far from the laboratory. Only purified skeletal material moves to the next stage. Industrial sanitation begins long before extraction starts. Every batch is inspected before entering pharmaceutical supply chains. Controlled storage preserves raw material integrity. From processing plants, the journey toward capsule production begins. From processing plants, the journey toward capsule production begins. Precision logistics protect pharmaceutical-grade materials. The journey toward capsule production begins. Here, raw bone becomes pharmaceutical-grade gelatin. The transformation process starts with controlled preparation. Size reduction prepares the material for deep extraction. Consistency is critical before chemical processing begins. Consistency is critical before sealed to pharmaceuticals begins. Consistency is critical beside pharmaceuticals begins. Consistency is critical beside pharmaceuticals begins.
The extracted collagen now moves toward purification. Every particle is filtered to pharmaceutical precision. Centrifugal force removes what the eye cannot see. Purified gelatin is stabilized before refinement. Chemical balance determines the final capsule quality. Uniformity is built through controlled industrial mixing. Chemical balance determines the final capsule quality. Uniformity is built through controlled industrial mixing. Every extraction batch is scientifically verified. Purity standards guide every stage of production. Now the raw material is ready to become medicine capsules. Inside this facility, precision controls every molecule.
Sterility. Every worker becomes part of the controlled environment. This is where industrial biology meets automation, becomes part of the controlled environment. Stable flow ensures perfect capsule formation. Every capsule begins on precision-engineered steel molds. A microscopic coating forms the future capsule shell. Controlled drying transforms liquid gelatin into stable shells. Temperature stabilization protects capsule integrity. Automated trimming creates exact pharmaceutical dimensions. Each capsule piece is separated with millimeter precision. Digital inspection removes defects invisible to human eyes. Digital inspection removes defects invisible to human eyes.
Before filling, every capsule undergoes another purification stage. Before filling, every invisible particles must be eliminated. Static control keeps production perfectly synchronized. Static control keeps production perfectly synchronized. Only perfect capsule shells move deeper into production. Quality control begins long before medicine reaches patients. A flawless surface ensures reliable pharmaceutical performance. Moisture control protects long-term capsule stability. Every capsule is digitally tracked through production. Traceability connects every capsule to its origin. The finished shells now prepare for pharmaceutical filling. Automation takes control as production accelerates.
Every capsule must arrive perfectly positioned. The empty shells are finally ready to become medicine.
Precision timing controls every motion on the line. Precision timing controls every motion on the line. Even microscopic errors are unacceptable in pharmaceutical manufacturing. Millions of capsules are filled with exact pharmaceutical accuracy. Automated verification protects dosage consistency. Each capsule is sealed for safe pharmaceutical use. Digital inspection ensures every capsule closes perfectly. Final cleaning protects product purity. Final form appearance protects signals stable manufacturing conditions. Final batch is measured with machine precision. Final production pauses briefly before advanced finishing begins. Final production pauses millions of capsules without interruption. The process now enters the factory's most advanced stage. Here, automation controls every second of production. Perfect positioning guarantees reliable processing. Specialized coatings extend capsule durability. A microscopic layer shields the medicine inside. Careful drying stabilizes the protective coating. Controlled cooling preserves pharmaceutical consistency. Machine vision protects pharmaceutical accuracy at high speed. The final polish prepares capsules for quality approval. The final polish prepares capsules. Sealed transfer systems prevent contamination between stages. The final polish prepares capsules. Environmental stability determines long-term capsule performance.
Every section of the factory operates through centralized precision control.
Timing and synchronization prevent disruption across millions of capsules. Automation separates production streams without slowing output. Continuous sampling ensures manufacturing stability.
Temperature stability protects capsule integrity. Even movement systems are engineered to protect the product. Temperature stability protects capsule integrity. Even movement systems are engineered to protect the product. Temperature stability protects capsule. Every bottle receives an exact pharmaceutical count. Temperature stability. Packaging preparation begins before the capsules arrive. Automated counting removes the possibility of human error. Airtight protection preserves pharmaceutical freshness. Precise sealing guarantees safe transportation and storage. Every bottle carries a complete production verification stage begins before shipment approval. Every bottle carries machine vision detects flaws invisible to the human eye. Every bottle carries a
Packaging systems prepare for the final assembly stage.
Every bottle carries a
Automation maintains speed without sacrificing precision.
Every bottle carries a
Every package carries detailed pharmaceutical guidance.
Every bottle carries a
The sealed carton becomes the final consumer package.
Every bottle carries a
Digital tracking secures pharmaceutical distribution accuracy.
Every bottle carries a
Protective wrapping prepares products for industrial transport.
Every bottle carries a
Robotic precision keeps shipments stable during distribution.
Every bottle carries a
Protective wrapping shields the final product from contamination.
Every bottle carries a
Protective wrapping shields the final product from contamination.
Every bottle carries machine vision detect. Before shipment, one last round of verification remains.
The final decision happens inside the laboratory. Random sampling protects consistency across every shipment.
Weight accuracy ensures safe pharmaceutical dosing. Every capsule must perform exactly as designed. Controlled moisture levels preserve capsule shelf life. Pharmaceutical safety depends on invisible standards. Chemical stability guarantees long-term effectiveness. Each capsule must survive transport without failure. Accurate labeling is as important as the medicine itself. Only approved products can leave the facility. Storage conditions protect the capsules until delivery. The production journey is nearly complete. Now the finished capsules prepare to leave the factory. The final journey begins as each pallet is secured for transport. Every shipment is organized for safe pharmaceutical transport. Security seals guarantee traceable pharmaceutical logistics. From factory to world, precision continues beyond production. Controlled logistics preserve pharmaceutical integrity. Every shipment enters a regulated distribution network. Inventory systems ensure precise global allocation. Global distribution begins with secure containerization. Certified sealing guarantees pharmaceutical-grade transport safety. The journey now extends beyond national borders. A global network carries medicine to every region. Ocean freight ensures worldwide pharmaceutical reach. Ocean freight ensures worldwide pharmaceutical reach.